Sony may have gotten out of making consumer e-readers, but they haven't gotten out of e-ink. In fact, Sony's been making e-ink products for 17 years and remains the largest mainstream household name manufacturer to still be making e-ink products today. This is the Sony HUIS 100RC. That might be a little bit confusing, but what this is a multi-remote controller, as they're saying here, or a smart remote control. It is running e-ink, and it is made in Japan. Sony's been making a lot of e-ink products, everything from watches, digital note-taking devices. In fact, they've been making the DPT line since 2013-14. So we're just going to open this up with you guys. We have never opened this before, we've never used it before, and it just seems to open right there. Now this does come in black or white, and they do have cradle versions as well, but we'll put that off to the side till the end of the video. So we do have the user manual here. Most of Sony devices come in English as well, so I would assume there's some sort of English written on these. If not, we will try our best to have some user manuals for you. So there doesn't seem to be any English on the user manuals themselves right there, but hold on to that all the same. You can use Google Lens and just translate it with smartphones and AR. I mean, translating things is a thing of the past. You just hold your phone over it and there you go. Breaks down all the barriers, what to do, what not to do's, all that kind of stuff right there. And let's explore the rest of the box. We do have a lift point right here with some other stuff. And it looks like although you buy the white version, you do get a white cable. You don't get a white wall charger, but that's just splitting hairs. That's fine. It is running micro USB, and the wall charger is a standard wall charging port that will fit North America, it will fit Japan, etc. So I'm going to put all that off to the side and look at the device itself right here. This is the Sony Smart Remote. Now this is household. It's kind of a household appliance, so you'll see by its odd shape. It's meant to kind of be stood up so people can easily grab it off the coffee table and use the IR or infrared connectivity via other connectivities to connect it to wherever. You can see on the bottom it's lithium ion enabled. It says HUIS 100RC and it is made in Japan. So we'll just open this up for the first time here. Oh, it does slide out. We don't even need to open that up. And it does say you do need to connect it to the power, it says, in order to start. And we will be doing a full review on this as well. There does seem to be a hole here. I have no idea if that's room temperature or if it's a speaker, because some home appliances do monitor temperature, so I'm not sure there. But it does look like it can be put down very safely too, because it has some points that jut out to allow it to not be scratched when it's on a surface, as well as have the points on the bottom so it can stand up respectively. For now, this is everything that comes in the box, and it is very nice to see Sony still making a wide array of e-ink products. It's very nice to see. It's very refreshing, especially in 2021. If you want to order this, it works internationally and it ships internationally. You can order it from our site. If you have any other questions, stay tuned for the full review. For now, this is the HUIS remote controller by Sony, made in Japan, e-ink. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.